An idealist is someone who helps other people to prosper. I have observed that most people get ahead when others waste their time. Failure can simply be interpreted as an opportunity to start over in a smarter way. A mistake can turn out to be the key to a valuable achievement. Problems are the terrible things you see when you turn your back on your ideals. When everything seems against you, remember that airplanes fly against the wind, not with it. The real mistake is if we don't learn anything. Nothing is really difficult if you break it down into small jobs. The secret to a successful life is to find out what one is destined for, then do it. If I ask people, what do they want? They answered, the horse is faster. There is enjoyment in work. There is no happiness except the realization that we have accomplished something.